get better and better. There you go, Mark. Yeah, you turned the whole board. That's perfect. Ready to drip, Mark? Okay. Make it more paint. You know, you're going to need a lot of paint and some water, of course, to make it drip, right? Force that guy. Come on.
Left guys are unwilling.
Mark joins the drip team. Here he goes towards the finish line already. Working good for you?
Yeah, they just went right away.
You're getting the hang of it, man.
This one, not so much.
Well, you could add some water to it, or... You got it.
Thank you, Mother Earth.
Oh goody, the splatting has begun. Yes. Huge splats, I love it.
Purple's just extra thick.
Okay. Well, maybe wipe off the top of the brush there. So we've switched colors with each other to conserve. Isn't that clever? I didn't think of that before. Yay. Splatting away.
Hit that.
I really like this little guy right here, the conjoined ones. Oh, that is so fun. Is that better there, Mark?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's dotting the orange, all cool.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, some more up into the rocks, I think.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Add some texture to your rocks with your splats, yeah. Yeah, isn't that fun? Go with the signature and date it, the month and year.
What's the date?
Just the month and the year, 04/21.